For this lesson, we'll be looking at formatting in Excel. Formatting refers to ways in which text, pictures are organized, especially on a computer. Document formatting refers to ways a document is laid out on the page, including the font selection, the font size, spacing, margin, alignment, column, and the list. Why should you format your spreadsheet? There are several reasons why you should format your spreadsheet. We're going to take a look at few. Firstly, to make your work easier to read and understand. Another reason why you should format your spreadsheet is well-formatted spreadsheets enhance data accuracy, interpretation, and user experience. There are two ways to access formatting commands in Excel. First, the ribbon. Another way is the formatting menu by right-clicking on the cell you want to format. Let's take a look at that. Just as explained, there are two ways you can format your spreadsheet. First, by using the ribbon. At this point, you are familiar with ribbon. If you are not, please refer to the Excel Overview class to understand the ribbon. To access the formatting tool in Excel, this is your ribbon. The Home tab contains all of these functions you can use to format your data. Another way to format your data, for example, let's say you have words written here. You simply format this very section, you right-click on it, and you use the formatting menu. You can simply bold, color. We're going to take a look deeply of different ways you can format. In this lesson, we're going to be looking at formatting fonts, formatting colors, format painter, formatting numbers, formatting borders, and formatting grids.